If you're watching this, the world has already ended. Because today, something impossible happened. Something that should only occur in nightmares or physics exams. The Earth stopped spinning. 1 second you were scrolling on your phone, and the next, the planet slammed on its brakes. Everything that wasn't nailed down, gone. Including you. Almost, but lucky for you, I'm going to teach you how to survive the next 24 hours on a dead-stopped Earth. The Earth normally spins at 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. So when it stops instantly, you don't. People near the equator, they became human missiles, human projectiles, human debris. The only reason you're alive is latitude. The closer you were to the poles, the less sideways force hit you. So congratulations. Geography saved your life. But don't celebrate yet, because the atmosphere isn't done with you. Even though the Earth stops, the air keeps going. Now the sky becomes a supersonic wall demolishing anything standing tall. Forests uproot. Highways peel off the ground. Cities are erased in long sideways streaks. And you need to get underground. Right now. Your first survival task is simple. Get low. Stay low. Get underground, parking garages, subway tunnels, basements, mines, storm drains, caves. If it's below ground, it's your best friend. Because the atmosphere's temper tantrum will last hours. Now the real nightmare begins. Earth's rotation normally spreads heat around the planet. It creates winds, currents, weather, seasons. But without rotation, every bit of that disappears. One side of the Earth now has eternal day. The other side has eternal night. And temperatures start changing fast. If you're on the day side, you're going to roast. If you're on the night side, you're going to freeze. And neither side will stay survivable for long. You have 1 hour, maybe 2, before the temperature swing becomes lethal. So you need to identify where you are. Are your shadows getting longer? Sun getting lower and not moving? Then you're on the line between day and night. This is the safest place on Earth. Right now, you need to head for the Twilight Belt, a thin ring around the planet where day meets night. Not too hot, not too cold, still breathable, still survivable, for now. If you find yourself on the day side, the sun is about to become a weapon. With no rotation to distribute heat, sunlight pours straight down onto the same place forever. Roads soften into tar. Plastic melts into toxic puddles. Water evaporates faster than you can drink it. Within hours, the day side will hit temperatures hot enough to boil lakes. Here's what you do. 1. Find underground shelter. Buildings will turn into ovens. You need earth between you and the sun. A basement buys you time. A bunker buys you hours. A mine buys you days. 2. Block all sunlight. Use cardboard foil, fabric, car sunshades, trash bags, anything that reflects or absorbs heat. 3. Water is life. You need water not for drinking, but for cooling. Soak clothes, wrap your head, avoid dehydration. Every drop counts. 4. Do not travel during daylight. Your body will cook from the outside in. Save movement for dusk or shadows. But here's the truth. The day side is dying. Fast. You can't stay there. You must migrate toward the Twilight Belt. If you're on the night side, you're in a different kind of hell. Temperatures plummet like a stone dropped into the abyss. Within hours, the night side becomes colder than Antarctica. Within days, it becomes Mars. Here's how you survive. 1. Insulate immediately. Your body is a 100-watt space heater. Your job is to trap that heat. Use clothes blankets, cardboard, foam newspapers, dry leaves. Trash garbage is insulation. Garbage is warmth. Garbage is life. 2. Build a debris shelter, nature's sleeping bag. Dry grass, pine needles, leaves anything with air pockets. The more insulation, the better. You're making a human thermos. 3. Conserve oxygen. As air pressure rearranges across the planet, the night side will slowly lose breathable air. Don't run. Don't panic. Don't burn every scrap you have. Fire eats oxygen. Fire kills faster than cold. 4. Human heat is real heat. If you're with people, huddle. Pride is dead, warmth is king. If alone, curl into a ball, reduce surface area, and trap every molecule of heat your body produces. But again, the night side is dying too. You can't stay. Everyone still breathing is heading to the same place. You survived the atmosphere. You survived temperature collapse. Now you have a new problem. The oceans. Without rotation, Earth loses its equatorial bulge. That bulge is the reason sea levels are lower at the poles and higher at the equator. When rotation stops, that bulge collapses. Water floods outward, racing across continents like a global tsunami. Coastal areas? Gone. Regions hit first: Philippines, Indonesia, Japan, UK, Florida, Bangladesh, Caribbean entire. West coasts, entire east coasts. Everything flat, everything coastal, everything at sea level. You need to gain elevation. Fast. Not hills, not cliffs, not kind of high. You need mountains. 500 meters above sea level just keeps you alive. 1,000 meters gives you a fighting chance. 2,000 meters buys you time. Because this isn't a wave. This is the ocean permanently relocating. Your city? Your town? Your entire coastline? Underwater forever. The Earth itself starts to panic. Without rotational stability, tectonic plates begin to shift violently. Earthquakes emerge everywhere. Volcanoes ignite. Mountains crumble. Valleys collapse. The magnetic field weakens. Solar radiation increases. The atmosphere drifts toward the poles. Storms become global spirals. You are living on a planet having a full mental breakdown. Your job: stay away from faults, coasts, and anything tall. Wide open spaces and high ground are now your safest options. This is your new mission. Reach the Twilight Belt, a narrow strip where day meets night, a permanent sunset, the only region with tolerable temperatures, not burning, not freezing, not flooded, not suffocating. Every survivor on Earth is heading there, and that means you won't be alone. But don't expect civilization. Expect chaos, panicked crowds, starvation, violence, desperation. Food production collapses. Weather is gone. Ocean life dies. Rivers stagnate. Electricity? Ancient history. Humanity now lives in a dim ring circling the planet, held together by fear, warmth, and desperation. But compared to everywhere else, this is paradise. So, you made it 24 hours. The worst day in Earth's history. The day the sky fell sideways. The day the oceans stood up. The day the sun stopped moving. Most people didn't even survive the first 5 seconds. But you refused to die. You sheltered. You climbed. You insulated. You moved. You endured. Just remember this. The world didn't end because the planet stopped spinning. It ended because humanity was never ready. And if you're watching this, maybe you will be. Stay warm. Stay alive. And welcome to the Twilight.